Hi everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm showing you my favorite ways of how to prepare basil for recipes. So I think everybody knows what basil is. It's a classic ingredient in a caprese salad, Italian cooking, and really an herb that I try to keep in my kitchen as most often as I can. So let me give you a little close-up of all of this basil I have, because there's a lot. So basil is a wonderful herb that really adds a distinct flavor to a plethora of recipes and really in all types of cuisines. So as you can see, I have huge basil leaves. These have to be the biggest leaves I've ever seen. So a few different things about basil before I show you how to prepare it is basil can get really dark in color on the edges when you start cutting it. So the best way to do this is not make too many cuts. And you definitely don't want to get basil next to any heat because it will turn dark. So you really want to put basil on a finished dish. And as you can see here, I've stacked some leaves and I've rolled them like a cigar. So this is called julienning, or julienne. So what I'm doing is I'm making very thin cuts and I'm getting beautiful, long, elegant strips of fresh basil. So this is perfect for a salad or in a sandwich or even as just a garnish on fresh pasta. The other way to use basil is smaller whole leaves like these. These are wonderful to place onto a cheese board in a little stack. People can put a fresh basil leaf on a cracker with some cheese. That's a wonderful way to use fresh basil. And then the other way is just to give it a rough chop. And remember, you want to make as few cuts across basil as possible. So notice these are a little bit thicker, and then I'll just go one more time like that, and then I have roughly chopped basil. Basil and tomatoes, classic combination. I'm Mark Sievers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So subscribe to my channel. Head over to marksievers.com where you can get more recipes, entertaining ideas, and information on both of my cookbooks. Bye.